I traveled the world as far as I would, discovered new places wherever I could, saw that's out there for people to see. But now I know where I wanna be. Would you lie?